3 or 4 years ago is when it really just all at once, it just thinned fast. I used to have so thick hair and it would come down and swooped over, and well,
he loved it, I hated it.
And whenever, as soon as we met, she wanted me to get it cut. She's like, that's awful.
It was the first
thing. It was so thick, it was...
He was always just...
The way it is now, there's not much she can do anything with it.
He's just very self-conscious about it, even though he won't say self-conscious about it, but he won't do anything without grabbing a hat. I'm constantly snapping pictures and he'll jump out of them and things like that, so it bothered him way more than he lets on.
Well, there's been pictures I've seen where, especially when I get my hair cut, they'll always kind of take that mirror back there and say, how does that look? I'm like, well, the haircut looks good, but I've gotten thinner. I'm at the racetrack working on the car and I'm sweating to death, and I take my hat off and then I laid it somewhere and then I realized, oh crap, I don't have my hat on. And I just rather just wake up, style my hair and go out the door and not worry about it.
I did a lot of research. I'm medical, so of course I was like researching, and you all were just the first and best ones that popped up, all the reviews and the videos. It was an easy decision, really.
Originally when we come in, we really were dead set on the Artis. Once talking to you and kind of learning more about it, the multi-unit hair growth just seemed to be the best path for us. More hair, less money. It just seemed like a more efficient procedure to me, so that's the reason I went that route, and excited to get it back. I had my procedure, I guess it's been about right at a year, maybe a year and 1 month. And I mean, it's just been results every month. I mean, you can see the hairs growing in, and I don't think all of them have really came in yet, to be honest. Of course, I was looking in the mirror like, wow, I used to have peach fuzz right here, and we just looked at the before and after pictures, and you can tell, I honestly forgot it was that bad, to be honest with you. Both my parents could see, just a couple months the hair growing in, and I guess everybody's skeptical at first, hey, is it even gonna work, or what are you doing? And but they noticed really quick, and of course my dad even made a few comments like, well, maybe I should do that, So me and my son look almost identical, I mean, to the T. And of course, when I kept getting thinner and thinner, he would always make comments like, Dad, you're losing your hair's falling out. After a couple months, once I had the procedure and the hair started growing in and getting thicker, he'd make comments like, Dad, we look just alike again, you have hair again. And that was nice to hear him say that. The procedure seemed so easy and quick, and so we made the plunge, and it worked out. I mean, we had amazing results. Yeah, definitely don't regret it. I would do it again. I know there's people out there just like me that are saying, wow, that sounds great, but is it too good to be true? Or in 2 years when it gets worse, I'll do it. Don't wait, don't let it get worse. Come in, stop it from falling out. Go ahead and start the laser treatment. I do the laser treatment, a couple times a week. I bought the helmet from you guys, and stop losing the hair you've got and go ahead and do the treatment. That'd be my advice. If I could tell anybody consider it, I'd tell them don't wait, do it now. I just kept waiting until it got so bad that I really was like, okay, maybe I should do something. But my advice would be don't wait, do something now, come in, get a consultation, talk to you guys, and go with your gut.
For a free evaluation, call PAI at 800-496-7225 or visit WeGrowHair.com.